So today in this video, we'll learn how to install Grails in your laptop. So first of all, go to Google and then go to the Grails official website, which is grails.org. Then click on download and then it should download this zip file. Okay. So this is the zip file. I'll just open it. You can even extract it. And in this folder, this Grails folder, you just have to copy it and then paste it inside your C drive, which I have already done. Now here inside this folder, there are all the Grails files, libraries. Okay, then you need to search for environment variables. Now you can simply click over here and then again click over here. Now for installing Grails, you also need to install JDK. For version 6.2.0, the minimum requirement is JDK 11. So you need to get the version of JDK which is above 11. So I have installed JDK 17. Now here I can simply click on new and then you have to write the variable name, variable value. Now in the variable name, you have to write Grails underscore home and then path of that zip folder, which is the C drive, this folder. Copy it and then paste it over here. I'll be providing all this in the description also. You can refer that also. Now the next is the Java home. Again create a new variable and then set Java home. Now go again where you have installed Java. For me, I have installed it in the program files, then Java and then JDK. So this path I have to copy. This is where my Java is installed. Again then here Java underscore home and then path of that JDK. This path may change according to where you have installed your Java. Again click on OK and then there will be path. If path is not there, then you have to create new. Otherwise, if it is already present over here, just simply double click on it and then write %java underscore home. You can click on new here and then write %java underscore home underscore the same variable name which you have set and then followed by %/ and bin, and same for Grails underscore home followed by / and then bin. Don't forget this %. Again, this will be provided in the description. Click on OK. OK. Now you can restart your laptop and then go to command prompt and you can write for Grails version. You can see my Grails version is installed and my JVM version is 17. If you get any error here like minimum requirement of Java is 11, something like that, then whatever version is mentioned there, you have to get a upgraded version for that. And if you get any other error, you can comment down below and I can solve it there for you. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you like this video. Please like this video, comment on this video if it has helped you, and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any further requirement, further video on Grails, then you can comment down below and I'll make new videos on it.